is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I will give you some important tips of how you can use body lotion in 3 different ways. So, let's get started.
So, in the first one, I will take a bottle and pour some extra amount of body lotion in that bottle. And now, I will take glycerin, and here you don't need to measure the amount of quantity required, just I fill the bottle. Actually, in the body lotion it has mentioned that glycerin has already added, but for extra dryness during winter I usually add glycerin. As glycerin is good for skin, it improves overall skin health. Now just shake the bottle and apply it over hands. And here I am done. So the second tips is take few drops of body lotion and take 1 pump of foundation, mix it and apply on both the hands. If you feel after applying foundation over face, your hands look uneven, such like visible of veins which look weird, especially on photos. While using these tips, you will feel confident, as well as if you attend any weddings or parties, you can also follow these tips. Third tips is take few drops of body lotion and mix 1 or 2 drops of liquid highlighter and apply it over your neck areas, shoulders or to the exposed areas. This will give you a radiant glow and can help your entire look really pop. You can apply it especially while going for parties or weddings.